That is why we never give up. Though our bodies are dying, our spirit are being renewed every day. 2 Corinthians 4:16. J'ai aussi écrit ça en français si tu lis pas anglais. I also wrote it in French if you don't speak English. I hope you guys enjoy this video just as much as I enjoy making it. And God bless you. Que Dieu vous bénisse. New video. Hey, you looking cute. I actually look cute, but the hair not really. This hairstyle, I got y'all. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be using the Shaggy Kinky Bulk Crochet by the Main Concept. Je vais vous donner un autre style aujourd'hui. We're going to throw it up for y'all real quick. Give y'all some new looks for the summer. So I'm going to be parting my hair. Je vais prendre un pen et je vais séparer mes cheveux. I'm going to be separating the part where I'm going to leave out, because we don't know what these hands going to do, but they're going to do something for y'all. And I'm going to use that made up scrunchie right there to stretch out my hair. And then, I don't know why I itch my hair like that. It makes it look like something wrong with my head. My head is clean, okay? I co-washed today. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to using Got To Be Glue Gel. As far as Got To Be Glue Gel, it's the only gel that can hold my hair up the whole entire week. And we're going to put that around my hair. We're just going to brush it up. Je vais utiliser ce gel ici. Ce gel ici, c'est vraiment bien. Achète ça, Sombayango, parce que ça va te faire les cheveux, ça va durer, hein. Si tu mets les styles comme ça, si tu mets les chinos, tu fais les chinos, cette gel ici, ça va durer. Hein, comment on dit ça? Suke eko wumela yo. Mama, tika. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my hair up in a scrunchie. We're not about to re-detangle the hair because we already did that when it was wet. And my hair does what it wants to do. So, yeah, next step, we're going to get the Got To Be gel and we're just going to re-slick. Okay, this is the trick to slick updos. You got to get a toothbrush, just, utilise le brosse à dents. Prends le gel là, le gel là, and just re-slick the hair. You're going to see the difference. I promise you will. So, move on, because that was a workout. I'm going to go ahead and bring out my Shaggy Bulky Crochets from the Main Concept, and I'm going to take this out and cut off the rubber band. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rubber band to the ends, and I'm just going to cover it up with the hair. And you see what I'm doing right there, huh? Tout ce que j'ai fait, regarde ça bien. So I'm going to get the rubber band again. You see what I'm doing? Yeah. Add it onto my hair. It doesn't have to be like perfect, but just good enough for it to not move. And then I'm going to get my hair and I'm going to twist it around. Je prends mes cheveux, je vais en salongo comme ça. And I'm just going to continue twisting my hair and twisting my hair. On va se voir comme si on est moins mundele, mais mundele angope is not okay. Too much. Yeah. So now I'm going to go back in with the next pack because I want it to be full. 2 packs. I think this was just 1 pack. 1 pack wasn't enough, so I'm going to go on with 2 packs. And I'm going to use just one of those, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Loop it around like this, and then pull it out. Ooh, got y'all. Psych. Let's start over. Loop it around like this, okay? And then boom. That's how it looks. Ça se voit comme ça. And we're just going to add it on the hair, flip it, and then do the same thing we did. Now, what I did here was I did a mistake. I accidentally took the hair and I twisted part of the hair that I needed to be long on the left side, I believe. It made it short. It made the length shorter. So you got to be careful. You don't want to grab any extra hair when you're doing that. You want the length to be perfect. If you are me, that's how I like it. I like my hair perfect. So next, I'm going to get another pack of hair, and I'm just going to twist it outward, if that makes sense. Twist it outward. Je vais prendre les cheveux là, je vais commencer de mettre ça comme ça. I'm just going to continue twisting on the hair. Just keep twisting. If it's not enough, for me that wasn't enough. I had to get an extra pack of hair, and I had to apply that to the twisting just to stabilize the ponytail. You got to secure the bag. You got to secure the ponytail. So I grabbed another extra pack, well, just one hair. And this time around, you see what I did? I added that extraness to the end. So it's like the middle and the end. So kind of like that. Yeah, kind of like that. So now I'm just going to secure the ponytail. I'm going to make sure that, you know, it looks good. So onto the bangs. What I did with the bangs was I stretched it out. I took a comb. J'ai les peines là, j'ai peigné mes cheveux pour que ça me donne encore le volume. I did the combing just to give me that extra volume that I was looking for, and I braided it down. And this was a style that we were going for. Now, in order for you to get this style right here, you have to make sure that all the side hair is gone, okay? So it can last you a whole week. This style can last you a whole week if you treat it right, okay? Because I still have it on my head, depending on when I upload this video, hopefully today. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get Got To Be glue, and I'm gonna try to lay my edges. We gotta lay the edges. Like, the hairstyle goes well with edges, I'm just saying. So now I'm gonna get that hair again, so let's retry this style. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, give it that extra volume by combing it, like, you know, like adding that brush. And I'm gonna get a little bit of Got To Be glue gel just to take away the frizz, and I'm gonna braid it. Je vais nakusalango nakukangango, and I'm going to get it, stretch it out a little bit, and just get the braids on the side. And then what I'm going to use is I'm going to use bobby pins. This is important, okay? This is the important part. I'm going to get the bobby pin. I'm going to secure it with the bobby pin. You want to do it very lightly in a way where it won't hurt you, nor will it snatch out your head. So that extra makeup that got on my hair, I had to, you know, spritz it out, you feel me? So now I'm going to go in and I'm just going to set the edges, and the rest is history. That's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of it. My edges, my side curls, I didn't have to take the side curls out, but I wanted to. I know some people will be like, you didn't have to, but I wanted to, and it's out. J'espère que vous avez aimé cette video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoy making it. I was talking too much, but that's the purpose of a video. Mind your business, drink your water. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of it. So subscribe, like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys. Okay, I just wanted to say this. I look good, okay? I look good. I look good. Sis, you look wifed. You look good. I look good. I look good. Okay, that's all I just wanted to say. Because I look good. I look good. You look good. Fine, babe. You look good. Sorry.